Hey, cleaning family. So we are doing a podcast video room upgrade, and I'm here with Sabrina. Sorry, she's eating yogurt. Just kind of threw this on her, but just want to record this so you guys can see the process of me upgrading the podcast room that we do. So what we're going to end up doing is taking out this rug right here and bringing it into the podcast room. I'm going to leave the sofa here because I nap on there. And then I'm going to be bringing that coffee table that seems to be in the way and also adding that to the podcasting room along with these new chairs that we bought. So we'll also be building the new chairs, putting up some new lighting. We got some new gadgets. So it's going to look the same but a little different. So stay tuned for this makeover.
El chakra es un camión de remolque.